like he playing the forest.
Oh, Pulau. The Hmong live peacefully in the mountains of China. They have their own land, a king, a queen, and a prince.
Hello, everyone, I'm to you. My mom Chi-Yu, your mother and I have something important to talk to you about.
Yes, Father. What is it?
Your father and I, we have done our duties as the rulers of Hmong, and it's your turn to the land.
What do you mean? You're both still here?
Chi-Yu, I had this craziest vision/dream. Yeah. Your great-great-great-great-great-grandfather, told me that my time, along with your mother's time, is coming to an end, and thus you'll be joining them soon.
What? What do you mean?
What your father's trying to say is that we both are getting older now, and it's your turn to the land.
In addition, your great-great-great-great-grandfather, told me that he had a vision.
Wait. Great-great-great-grandfather had a vision in your vision?
Yes, Captain. Your great-great-great-great-grandfather, told me that he had a vision of a war.
A war?
A big war.
And?
Now, don't be alarmed. It's most likely going to affect you, since it might most likely and probably will happen when we're not here and when you are king.
What? Okay, pause. Who's going to war?
Love, you're confusing him. Chi-Yu, sweetie, I see you become such a wise man, and I'm confident that you'll take good care of Moen when we're gone.
Chi-Yu, remember when you were a baby?
No, I don't, because I was a baby.
Okay, well, I remember when you were a baby. You were never afraid of anything. I never heard you cry even once. Mostly because your mother took care of you, but anyways. I called you my brave little boy who would one day rule this land. You never failed to show me the courage in you. And that's why today, we're crowning you king.
What? Hold up.
Attention, citizens of my land. I, King Chopal, invite everyone to the crowning ceremony of my son, Chi-Yu.
Wait a minute. I'm not ready for this.
You'll be fine.
I might be brave, I might be strong, but I have never done this. When I'm alone, who will I call to guide me through all of this?
I stand Chi-Yu, I know you're strong. You'll find the strength within you to lead this land, to guide our Hmong, and bring honor to us all.
Welcome. Yozong Shadar. On this day, I announce my son, Chi-Yu, as the new ruler of Hmong.
Again?
Make me quiet, son.
As your new king, I'll bring honor, I'll lead and guide us through all. I will be strong and stand for us through it all till my day comes.
As the new king, may the sun shine and guide you through all of this, to give you strength to stand for more and guide the land of Chi-Yu.
Chi-Yu's father was indeed right about their time, and left to be with a great-great-great-grandfather, Len too. Thus, leaving Chi-Yu with his aunt, Oh.
Chi-Yu,
Yes, Auntie Po?
are you getting ready?
What for?
The big day,
What big day?
the Hmong New Year.
Oh, totally forgot about that.
Every king needs a clue, Chew. Your father couldn't have ruled Hmong without your mother.
Yeah, I know. I do dream of finding something special. It just hasn't been the right time for me. Last year, Hmong New Year was a success. I'm hoping that this year I'll meet someone. Maybe they'll know.
Well, the Hmong New Year isn't going to wait for you. I suggest you get ready and put on some nice clothes.
What do you think about this? This one?
Ugh, no.
Ooh, what about this one?
I'll show you. When you go, you gotta wear something like this to show, to celebrate with everyone you know. This day is a special day to not back down. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Where the sun will make you shine so miles away from home. You'll catch the eyes of all these single girls. I hope you'll find someone who'll make you smile. It is so beautiful. I won't want to.
I like it. It's so pretty.
Well, of course you do. Come on, kids, join me.
Yeah, he was like a menace to society, bro.
Thanks, Ichigo. I really like it.
Okay. One more thing. Show me a model walk.
Ottawa.
Yeah, like this.
What for?
Well, to impress a girl.
Okay, I guess.
Puff up your chest. Look up and walk like the king you are. Now, flip your head like this.
Okay.
Try a little bit more like this. Good. I have faith that you'll find a special woman to become the queen of Motherland. Now go, you young buck!
Your time. Don't hit that thing behind you. I'm not gonna pay. Come on now. Lift your back, bro.
Throw me a banana.
Here, then I'll take care of this.
Careful, Shul.
Wanna see me? Cause I'm strong and I'm brave and I'm powerful.
Shul, hurry up. We do have all day. We still have to set out. P.S. Mom specifically wants us out there before the New Year starts.
Yes, I know, but I gotta finish making these sticky rice cakes first. Whatever.
Wait a second. Shul, would you be careful? You already got the last one Mom made. Just move.
Hey, do you wonder if you're gonna meet your soulmate at all today?
Soulmate? As an older sister, Shul, you'll find him one day if you work hard enough in the year.
Do you think I'll find my lover?
Shul, stop.
Good, hello.
Shul?
Okay, my bad. I was just asking.
Sure. Thing is, I'm just too busy to work at the New Year. And you too. Ever since Mom died, Mom has been working to usher her in the right place just so that we have a better life.
Yeah, I know.
And you know how people treat Mom's without a husband. Like, they don't matter. Like, they don't mean to do this. Like, it's all they can do for their family.
I know, but hey, today's my New Year. Let's just enjoy it. Eh?
I don't have time for fun, Shul.
But now. Every year we work so hard making sticky rice for Big Doll. This year let's take time to find ourselves a lover at Big Doll. Meet a man who'll play the game and sing one that's nice and speaks so kind and says
Go faster!
I'm trying.
Faster!